If you've ever felt like the lines in your text are just too far apart in Photoshop and you're not quite sure how to bring them closer together, stick around. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to reduce the space between lines of text right inside Photoshop. By the end, you'll know how to give your designs a tidier, more professional look, whether you're working on a flyer, social media post, or any creative project. All right, let's dive right in. First things first. Go ahead and open up Photoshop. If you're starting from scratch, click File and choose New to make a new canvas or open one of your existing projects. Make sure you have your workspace set up so you can see the layers and properties panels easily. This will help keep everything organized as we work. Next, it's time to add your text. Select the text tool. It's that little T icon in the toolbar, usually found on the left side of your screen. Just click it and then click anywhere on your canvas to start typing or to paste in a paragraph you've copied from somewhere else. Whether you're adding a headline or a few sentences, the process is the same. And don't worry if the text doesn't look perfect at first, we're going to fix it up together. Once your text is in place, click the Move tool. It's the arrow icon at the very top of the toolbar. With this tool, you can click and drag your text to position it exactly where you want. You can also use the corner handles to resize the text box. Take your time here and try to imagine how you want your final layout to appear. Think about alignment, spacing from the edges, or how it fits alongside other elements in your design. This step might take a few moments, but getting your text in the right spot makes everything easier later. Now let's bring our focus to the Properties panel. This is where the magic happens. If you don't see the Properties panel on your screen, just go up to Window in the top menu and select Properties. With your text layer still selected, you'll notice several options pop up in the Properties panel. Take a moment to look for the section where you can change the font size and other attributes. Right next to where you set your font size, you'll see a drop-down menu that probably says Auto. This setting controls the line spacing, which is also called leading in design terminology. Auto means Photoshop is guessing the distance between your lines, but we want to take control ourselves. Click on Auto, and you'll see a list of point sizes like 18 pt, 24 pt, 30 pt, and so on. This is where you can experiment a bit. Select a specific point size that's a little smaller than your font size. For example, if your text is 24 pt, try choosing 20 pt for the line spacing. Notice how the lines come closer together. Instant improvement. You're not just reducing space for the sake of it. Tighter leading can make text blocks easier to read and look more visually compact, especially in graphics or web banners. If things start looking too squished, just pick a slightly bigger number. You want enough space so the text is legible, but not so much that it feels disconnected. And there you have it, your text lines are now spaced just the way you like. Remember, you can always fine-tune the setting if you change your mind later. That's the beauty of working in Photoshop. Nothing is set in stone until you export your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions about text formatting or other Photoshop tricks, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.